Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Creators channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 mini camera drones of 2025. The best compact drones with amazing cameras that fit right in your pocket. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or just love aerial photography, this list has something for you. Check the link in the description for more details. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone, a foldable, compact quadcopter designed for stunning aerial footage. It shoots in up to 8K resolution with a 120-degree wide-angle lens and 3 types of stabilization: optical, gimbal, and electronic, giving you crisp, shake-free video even during flight. Despite weighing just 236 grams, it delivers a strong flight time of around 22 to 30 minutes and a massive control range of up to 3 kilometers. It's equipped with GPS, multiple smart flight modes like Orbit, Waypoint, and Follow Me, plus it uses laser-assisted omnidirectional obstacle avoidance for safer flying. You can fly it via remote or the smartphone app with real-time FPV streaming over 5G Wi-Fi. So, if you're after a drone that combines portability, intelligent features, and stunning visuals without breaking the bank, the Xiaomi V198 GPS is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. Potensic C0. This drone shoots in crisp 4K at 30 frames per second and takes 12-megapixel photos. The 3-axis gimbal gives buttery smooth footage even when it's breezy, thanks to its level 5 wind resistance. It's equipped with GPS-assisted flight modes like Return to Home, Waypoint Navigation, and Quick Shots for automated cinematic shots. There's also visual tracking, so it can follow your subject hands-free. With up to 29 minutes of flight time per battery and a 6-kilometer range, it's perfect for capturing adventures. Plus, it's under 249 grams, so you may not need registration in many countries. Ideal for travel. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, a fast charger, carry bag, spare props, and more. It's beginner-friendly, app-controlled, and always improving through firmware updates. Overall, the Potensic ATOM packs serious value in a mini package. Worth checking out if you're starting your drone journey. Number 3. Tegy SG99 Max. The Tegy SG99 Max, a GPS drone packed with features that punch way above its price range. First off, it's foldable and lightweight, under 1 kilogram with batteries, making it easy to carry for outdoor shoots. It boasts a 4K UHD camera stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS, so you're getting super steady video even in light wind. Perfect for cinematic shots or travel vlogs. With a 6-kilometer range and over 30 minutes of flight time, it's built for serious aerial coverage. Plus, smart features like GPS auto return, Follow Me mode, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance make flying safer and more intuitive. You'll also find gesture control, multi-point flight paths, and even orbit mode for hands-free shooting. Now, while I haven't tested this drone myself, the specs suggest it's ideal for intermediate to pro-level users looking for premium features without breaking the bank. Thinking of leveling up your drone game? The SG909 Max might be worth checking out. Number 4. Xiaomi GT3. This drone is equipped with a front-facing 8K HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens and built-in electronic image stabilization. The result? Sharp, cinematic shots even while in motion. It also includes a bottom optical flow lens for enhanced stability and smoother indoor flights. With its 5G GPS and optical flow positioning, the GT3 stays steady mid-air and supports custom flight routes via its mobile app. Plus, with a 2200 mAh battery, you get up to 40 minutes of flight time. Impressive at this price point. Safety is built in with 720-degree obstacle avoidance and smart controls like one-key return, gesture shooting, and headless mode make it beginner-friendly. If you're a content creator or drone hobbyist on a budget, the Xiaomi GT3 might be the high-res aerial upgrade you've been looking for. Number 5. 4DRC V8. It comes with either a 1080p or 4K fixed-angle wide camera, offering basic aerial photography. You can stream live video straight to your phone using the built-in Wi-Fi FPV function. Controls are simple. It features altitude hold for stable hovering, headless mode so you don't need to worry about orientation, and a one-button return for easy recall. It won't handle strong wind, and the camera angle is fixed, but for beginners or as a gift, it's a solid value under budget. Overall, the 4DRC V8 is a fun, beginner-friendly drone with some cool features packed in. Finally, check out all links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.